Hey everyone! Setting up Twilio in 2026 requires a bit more than just a quick code. With new regulatory standards, you need to verify your identity to keep your messages from being blocked. Today, I'm showing you the exact steps to verify a number for caller ID and how to clear the mandatory 2026 compliance checks. Let's get into the console. Step 1. Access verified caller IDs. If you want to use your own personal or business number as the caller ID for outgoing calls, start in the Twilio console. Navigate to Phone Numbers, Manage, Verified Caller IDs. Click the Add a New Caller ID button on the top right. This is essential for trial accounts and professional branding. Step 2. The OTP verification. Enter the phone number you want to verify and choose your method, SMS or phone call. Twilio will send you a 6-digit verification code. Once it arrives, type it into the console and hit Verify. Your number is now authorized for outbound caller ID use. No extra charge. Step 3. Submit regulatory compliance, the 2026 compliance check. Go to Messaging, Regulatory Compliance. You must now provide a business registration number, like an EIN in the US or a local equivalent. This is no longer optional in 2026 and is required to avoid your traffic being restricted. Step 4. Toll-free verification. For those using toll-free numbers, go to Active Numbers and click your number. Under the Regulatory Information tab, click Verify this toll-free number. You'll need to describe your use case and provide your website URL. In 2026, Twilio uses AI pre-screening to approve these faster, usually within 24 to 48 hours. Step 5. Check status and map bundles. Finally, keep an eye on your bundle status. Once it flips to approved, make sure it's mapped to your specific phone number. If you see a rejected status, don't panic. The console will now give you a specific reason, usually just needing a more clear description of your opt-in process. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.